Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Bhi Knowledge Bhi. My name is Nidhi and before we start today's topic, I have few things to share with you all and I'm so happy and privileged to share this with you all. I got many messages and mails that I should speak totally in English so that everywhere around the world people can understand me. So I will try definitely to do that. Even I believe the more we speak a language or we listen a language, we learn more quickly and more easily. So friends, I would especially dedicate this video to one of my friend in Germany. Her name is Lilo. So guys, let's begin today's topic. Today's topic is underwater museum. We will learn English through this topic. Museum. Whenever we hear this word, we start imagining in our mind for unique things, sculptures, statues, preserved since ancient years. We all might have gone sometime to museum or might have heard about this. But important point is, have we ever imagined museum under the water? Yes? No? Yes. This is true. Since technology has taken a vital role, museum under the water has been built. So today I am going to talk about the museum which is under the water. It's called Cancun Underwater Museum. So friends, we will start with the vocabulary and then we will take the knowledge about the topic. So let's begin with the vocab. Museum means संग्रहालय, underwater पानी के नीचे, पानी के अंदर, sculptures मूर्तियां, गैलरीज झांकी, आर्टिफिशियल कृत्रिम जो असली ना हो, फ्लरिश विकास, अट्रैक्शन आकर्षण, कॉन्क्रीट ठोस मजबूत, एसोसिएशन लाइक संस्था, डेपिक्टेड दर्शाना, रिजेंबल किसी की तरह लगना जैसे लगना, फीचर्स विशेषताएं, सरफेस सतह भूतल, कोरल रीफ मूंगा चट्टानदार. So guys, please note down the English vocab and then now we will move to the knowledge about this session. So let's begin with the knowledge session. First question I have taken is, where is Cancun Underwater Museum? This is a very unique creativity of human, I would say. This incredible museum is in Mexico, and Mexico is a country in the southern portion of Northern America. This is so beautiful and so amazing underwater museum. Next question I have taken is, what is Cancun Underwater Museum, or what exactly under this underwater museum? First of all, this is a non-profit organization and there are total 500 sculptures. So this was planned and thought by the Marine Park Director Gemini Gonzalez Santos with the assistance of British sculptor of Jason Decas Taylor. Guys, it's a saying and even I believe that everything which happen or will happen have a purpose for sure, which means everything happens for a purpose. So even for making underwater museum had a purpose behind it. So the purpose to make this underwater museum to save coral reef. I will tell you next what is coral reef, and another purpose was to give a unique and alternative destination to scuba divers. This underwater museum was started in 2009 but officially in 2010 it was started for publicly. So let's learn more about this museum. So first of all, I will tell you what is coral reef. Coral reef is a kind of home for sea animals like insects, small fishes. Like everyone need a home, and coral reef is kind of tortoise. They don't move anywhere. They stays at the same place, and if they dies at the same place, it gets pile up, and inside that piles, insects and fishes stays there. And it also important for ocean life because that stops hurricane that deviate. It's kind of a oxygen for the sea animals because it takes the CO2 and release the calcium carbonate which is important for the ocean life. But nowadays coral reef are very less. So this is the coral reef. Further, this museum is situated under the Caribbean Sea. There are also 500 sculptures and there is one Volkswagen as well. Museum has so many unique things like pen, cycle, TV, dog, girls, businessmen, statues. It shows the religion, it shows the power of unity, it shows the motivational notes. So the question comes is how to settle sculpture inside the surface of the underwater. So either it's sunken or flooded. But to settle the statue on the ocean floor, Taylor had a special lift made for the statues. Taylor gave his 120 hours and 18 months to get the work done. Janson Dickens gives message through these sculptures how human can live with nature, which is essential. Sometimes this museum also gives an impression of an aquarium, like various statue, decorations, fishes. Without a doubt, this Cancun Underwater Museum is an amazing art created by humans. The galleries are located at the depth of nearly 8 meters. This will definitely give a unique experience to visit this incredible place. So friends, this was all about Cancun Underwater Museum. I hope you all have noted down the vocabulary and will use in different sentences. If anything is not clear, please comment me. I will solve it out. Then keep learning, keep practicing. Never forget the language can only be learned by practicing it. Let's meet in our next video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you once again and have a great day.